has an emergency situation, definitely get the medical care for them right away. Call 911 and make sure that they're taken care of. That's the first priority. And then in addition to that, make sure that you report the injury to your insurance carrier right away. The adjuster has a very tight timeline to determine compensability of the claim. And in order for a work injury to be payable by the insurance company, it needs to be compensable. And the adjuster needs to investigate that to determine that the injury arose out of and in the course of employment. And that's the legal term for what determines whether a work injury is accepted or not. For example, if an injured worker just was walking down the hallway and just tripped and fell over their own 2 feet, that's not something that was an additional risk that the employment put them at. It just maybe happened at work. That might be a questionable claim that might not be compensable. But once compensability is determined and the claim is going to be paid, then we want to make sure that the injured worker is taken care of and gets the appropriate medical care for their diagnosis. And we want to make sure that they get back to work as soon as possible. And that's something that can be worked on together with the claim rep, the employer, perhaps a nurse case manager. And then in addition to that, as you're reporting the injury to the insurance company, I think it's important for employers to also do their own investigation for safety purposes to determine if there was something that could have been managed better from a safety perspective. And you're not finding fault, you're just trying to make sure that this doesn't happen again.